So for concealer, I'm gonna apply this Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealer in the shade Nutmeg. And I'm just gonna take a blending brush and just buff that in to get rid of these panda eyes, these dark circles, and hyperpigmentation. So I'm gonna be mixing these two together. This is the L'Oreal True Match Luminous Foundation in C7 Nut Brown Cocoa, and then this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfecting Skin Tint. Like, this one adds a little bit more color to this one because this is too cool. So yeah, and it just creates my perfect shade. So for the highlight, I'm going to be taking my favorite concealer, well, my favorite drugstore concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe. Now to contour, I'm going to be taking this True Color Black Opal foundation in Ebony, because this is like the perfect contour shade for me because it shows up on me. Now I'm going to mix some powders together and set my highlight. Just taking some translucent powder and a foundation powder and mixing them together so it won't look too harsh. I don't like my highlight to look too out there or too crazy. To set my contour, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal True Match foundation powder in the shade C8 Cocoa. I haven't done a wing eyeliner in so long, so I'm going to be doing the same look on this eye. And to prime my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe. And I'm using this lighter concealer that's lighter than my complexion to make the colors show up on me. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette, as always. And then I'm going to be taking this dark brown eyeshadow. I think I'm going to mix it with this orange one, this burnt orange color, because I don't want it to be too dark. Just gonna go on packing motions first, then blend it out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna be taking this pointy brush and then I'm gonna go in with the dark brown eyeshadow. Just, yeah, this one right here to deepen the crease. Just gonna blend it out. Then I'm gonna cut the crease with this concealer. I'm just gonna use the brush on here. And always look up, so then I would know where to mark it. And if you notice, my eyes are kind of hooded a little bit. So this just opens up your eyes more. Now I'm gonna take this pearl eyeshadow. It's not even showing up on the camera. But it's like this pearl white eyeshadow and pack that on the lid. So this is the finished look, just very simple and just straight to the point. I just did a matte lip, so I just used the brown lip liner and then took some lighter concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the center, and yeah. So this is the finished look. If you like this look, I feel like I said look too many times, but yeah, if you like this look, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video about 5 friends that you need to get rid of, 5 types of friends to get rid of. Since my 5 signs that your friends are fake video did well, I decided to do one about 5 type of friends that you shouldn't be around, that you should just rid of. And with that being said, bye.